Good morning, guys. So I actually never moved hotel. I decided to move to my girlfriend's house and save a little bit of money. Even though it was only 15 bucks per night, but 15 bucks here, 15 bucks there, it adds up quickly. Anyway, today I'm gonna visit a gibbon sanctuary. And if you ever visited Thailand or Southeast Asia, you know there's a lot of animal abuses here. And here in Phuket, if you go to like Patong or the viewpoints or any of the other tourist attractions, you will often see a Thai guy stand with a gibbon and offer you to take a picture in exchange for like 300 or 500 baht. And that is illegal. And the Thai guys, they really abuse these gibbons. I don't know how, but I think they like hit them and like mentally break them down so it's more easy for tourists to take pictures with them. And there's this sanctuary here in Phuket where they try to rehabilitate these gibbons and get them back into nature. But that is easier said than done. And actually many of the gibbons, or some of the gibbons, are so badly damaged that they can just never return to nature. I visited this place first time about 2 years ago, and it's a very nice place. People are super nice and they're doing a very good thing. So if you're ever in Phuket, I think you should visit that place. And it's in a national park actually, and there's a waterfall called the Pae Waterfall, and I'm gonna go check that out too. So I'm gonna do two things today: Gibbon Sanctuary and Pae Waterfall. So yeah, let's go. Okay, we have arrived. Yeah, so this is it. I don't know if you can hear it, but you can hear the monkeys in there.
Where are you from? Which country are you from?
Yeah. So here you can see they inform people of not to pay money to take pictures with the gibbons. You hear them?
Yeah, oh yeah, yesterday. Yeah, excuse me a minute, excuse me. The reason they're here is that they're used as tourist attractions.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, I saw a lot of them at some viewpoints and stuff like where they stand with the gibbons and you can pay money.
That's right. Yeah,
it's
and
very
they
bad.
use them at night in Patong as well, and on Phi Phi Island, Koh Samui in the north. They're mostly used by photographers.
Yeah.
But they can be used for anything, just to attract people.
Yeah, of course.
So that people spend their money.
Yeah.
And then, so what we do. We try to rescue them, but because of what they've been through, they do have to go into cages.
Yeah.
If we just set them free,
they will not be able to.
No, they wouldn't know what to do.
Yeah.
So they have to learn proper gibbon behaviour.
Yeah. So you rehabilitate them and then you try to release them again.
Yeah, that's the whole idea.
Yeah.
There are some that have been through too much. There's Tam up here. She was abused as a pet.
Yeah.
And she's in a shelter now.
Yeah.
But when she moves, you'll see that she only has one hand and one foot.
Oh yeah.
She has no right hand and no left foot. And she was kept as a pet for a long time, and she was abused. Her owner used to beat her. So there are some that have been through too much. Yeah. But the majority of them here, we will release over time. But the other thing that takes a long time is we have to make them into families. Yeah. We have to match a male and a female together, and then the very best way to release them is if they've had a baby. But we can release them as couples as well. Oh, okay. And we've got 27 in the forest now that are completely
27.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But because Phuket is changing so fast, we also release in Chiang Mai now as well, and we've got I think 16 up there as well.
16 in Chiang Mai.
That are completely free. Yes. So it's a good project. Yeah. But it is small.
Yeah. How often do you get new gibbons in here?
It's not a set thing, maybe 2 or 3 a year.
Yeah.
It's not a
of course.
System, and there are other sanctuaries in Thailand that they go to which aren't as good as this one. When they are confiscated from the street, they are sometimes used as evidence in the court cases. So we have to rely on the forestry department and the police to bring them to us.
And how long does it usually take before you can release them again? Of course, it depends how badly damaged they are.
Yeah, but it can be anything between 3 and 10 years.
3 and 10 years.
But
a long time. Yeah.
It is a long time, but when you think, they've got to get through all the trauma that's happened to them. Yeah. But another thing that takes a long time is making them into families. They have to be bonded as a family before we can release. So it all takes time. Yeah. But they live more than 30 years. So it is worth it.
And how long did you have this place been running now? I was actually here about 2 years ago.
It's been about 22 years.
22 years. Wow.
But it's still small. It's still a small project. We need all the help we can get.
Of course.
But it's good.
Thank you for the information.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So nice guy. Can you ever adopt a gibbon? It's like you pay every month or something like that?
It's a really good way of helping the project. It's like more of a sponsorship, really. And we give you a certificate and a photograph of the gibbon, and you get a free t-shirt. But the main thing is we send you a newsletter every 2 months.
Every 2 months?
and it's a really good way of helping the project.
Yeah.
It's basically,
Okay.
you know, the money, 1,800 baht goes a long way.
Yeah.
And it goes to all of the gibbons to help feeding them and medication.
Okay.
You know.
Nice.
So it's really good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so that was the Gibbon sanctuary. Now we're gonna go and check out the waterfall. Getting closer now. Alright, check it out. It's not that big, but we don't have any waterfalls in Denmark, so it's kind of special to me. I guess if you're from America or Canada or almost anywhere else than Denmark, then this wouldn't impress you that much, but yeah, no waterfalls in Denmark. So yeah guys, that was it. Visit the Gibbon Sanctuary and the waterfall. Okay, so I'm back at the car now, and I'm gonna drive back to the hotel and get a shower because I am soaked in sweat. Yo, so I'm home now. Got a shower and a shave. I know, pictures, right? My girlfriend put those up. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please subscribe and like the video. That would help me out a lot. So good night guys, and take care, and see you next time.